Okay, so continuing with the plant growth regulators, right? We are talking about plant growth regulators. We are now talking our fourth phytohormone, which is not kept in the category of promoters, as well as not even the exact category of inhibitors. So let's see that why is it so. So another hormone, phytohormone or regulator we are going to talk about, that is ethylene, or it is also known as ethene, C2H4. It is a gaseous phytohormone, or we can say first phytohormone which is known to be gaseous. In plants, it is obtained by breakdown of amino acid, which is methionine. It is obtained by plants by the breaking down of methionine. Where will you find that ethylene is there? The cells which are growing old, cells which are undergoing senescence, or in the ripening fruits. And that those fruits which are totally ripened, you will observe this phytohormone there. So cells which are getting old or undergoing senescence, as well as in the ripening fruits. Sarah Dowd, that scientist showed the role of ethylene in the old leaves, or the area of the older regions, in the basically in the senescence. Croker, he showed the role of ethylene in ripening of fruits. So both the areas they were studied by scientists, senescence as well as ripening of fruits, that how ethylene is released that time, or which substance is released that time, that is our ethylene. Now functions. First thing, now you can see where you are observing them, cells which are going old, cells which are aging, so it promotes senescence in the plants. Senescence is aging. अभी तक auxin, cytokinin, gibberellins, they were delaying senescence. So that is kind of a inhibition of growth. So it's a kind of inhibitor function, right? So it promotes senescence in the plant. Another function, it promotes ripening of the fruits. It also promotes helping in ripening of the fruits. It help in increasing length of petiole and internodes in rice plants. See, now try to understand this thing here. See, every one of you know that paddy plants, they are submerged in water, right? Continuously they are in the water. And if rice seedlings, they are not very great height also. So when the petiole and the leaf size, it is increased, it means they can stay out from the water very quickly. So ethylene क्या करता है? Ethylene help in increasing length of the petiole and internodes in the rice plants, due to which leaf gets elongated, and very easily, quickly and fastly it comes out from the water and can perform फोटोसिंथेसिस. तो उसको ज़्यादा देर तक आपके पानी में सबमर्ज नहीं रहना पड़ता है. सो ड्यू टू रिलीज ऑफ इथिलीन, लीफ they quickly grow, or you can say elongate at a faster rate. So it help in increasing the length of petiole and internode. स्पेशली ये मेंशन करना है जब भी ये पॉइंट या फिर ये नीट में क्वेश्चन आए, तो ध्यान रखना है कि इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट राइस प्लांट्स एंड length of petiole and internodes, then it is ethylene. Then it means we are talking about ethylene or ethylene. It helps in breaking seed dormancy. रेस्टिंग पीरियड को तोड़ने में हेल्प करता है ये. इट प्रमोट्स जर्मिनेशन स्पेसिफिकली in the groundnut seeds. so that seeds they can grow early. It promotes sprouting in the potato tubers. आपको पता है कि potato के ऊपर there are the spot जहाँ से वो buds निकलती हैं. So basically there will be more buds will grow and the more new plants will be in the picture. So basically it promotes more and more plants to grow, or you can say sprouting on the potato tubers. Now, because the major function we said, it helps in fruit ripening or ripening of fruits. Now when one fruit is ripening, suppose this fruit is ripening and you have placed this fruit between the other ones which are completely unripened, right? These are completely unripened, and in the center you have kept the fruit which is completely ripened. What will you observe? You will observe that ripening of raw fruits, जो कि कच्चे fruits हैं, it will happen at a faster rate. And this effect, this concept, it is used artificially in the form of substances or substance which is known as ethophones. Ethophones is kind of a aqueous solution जो कि स्प्रे करते हैं हम. इट इज़ अ एक्वस सॉल्यूशन विच इज़ एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय प्लांट वेरी क्विकली and it start releasing ethylene at a slower rate, and it is used by the used in the market for artificially ripening of fruits. Why it is used by the farmers? See, suppose you have a guava garden, you have lots of guava trees, and now if you are waiting for the ripening of guava and then plucking it and then bringing them in the market, till the time you will bring them in market, they will start spoiling. क्योंकि जो कि fruit एक बार पक जाता है वो बहुत जल्दी खराब हो जाता है, right? You know that you cannot keep it for a longer time. So what basically sellers they do, that the moment they usually pluck raw fruits and then they spray ethophones. It is so that your fruit ripens at a slower rate, right? It is very common artificially method which is used, and especially it is used for tomatoes and apples. आपने देखा होगा जब भी कभी मार्केट में टमाटोज आते हैं यूजुअली ग्रीन कलर के आते हैं, रेड कलर के जब आते हैं they are very quickly they get rotten, बहुत जल्दी खराब हो जाते हैं वो. So बट आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये जो है फ्रूट हमने आर्टिफिशली राइपन किया है और या फिर ये नेचुरली राइपन हुआ है प्लांट पे? हाउ विल यू कम टू नो? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, in natural ripening, when your fruit is with the parent plant, ripening happens from inside to out. सबसे पहले इनसाइड एरिया पकता है, उसके बाद बाहर वाली लेयर राइपन होती है. बट इफ यू आर यूजिंग ईथेफॉन, द राइपनिंग हैपन्स, सबसे पहले बाहर वाला पकेगा और फिर अंदर वाला पकेगा. एंड all of you observe this in your home also. Like when you bring banana, suppose you are bringing little green color banana, what will you observe after 1 or 2 days? सबसे पहले banana becomes yellow. Very easily banana's outer layer, it will become yellow. Even if you now feeling that this banana is ripened, but when you eat it, you feel raw. You feel that it is not properly ripened. So when you use ethefone, ripening happens from आउटसाइड टू इनसाइड. सबसे पहले बाहर वाली लेयर बहुत जल्दी पक जाती है, फिर अंदर बहुत धीरे 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 ripened होता है. This is called Ethaphon effect. This Ethaphon effect is also used in thinning of cotton fibers. कॉटन फाइबर्स को थोड़ा थिन करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. एज वेल एज वॉलनट शेल बहुत मोटे होते हैं, सो उनको थिन करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. इन द चेरी फ्रूट्स दिस इफेक्ट इज यूज in very common. It promotes the formation of female flowers in cucumber to increase the yield of cucumber, to increase the production of cucumber. So then ethaphon is also sprayed, so it helps flowering in pineapple. So it is the gaseous, basically ethylene is a gaseous hormone which helps in ripening of fruits, as well as it promotes senescence. So as you can see that it promotes senescence, that is the negative effect. It helps in ripening of fruits. It is a promoter effect. That is the reason. Neither it is a pure inhibitor nor it is a pure promoter. So it is kept in different from the category. So this is all about our plant growth regulator, that is ethylene. And next we are only left with now abscisic acid, that we will take on the another lecture.